Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Whitehouse is known as the gem of the South Coast. This palatial home is comfortably nestled in the oceanfront community of Culloden in Whitehouse, Westmoreland. The lot is of an 29,073 square feet and commands the most awesome views of the ocean and the coastline. An additional bonus is that the lot is in a cul-de-sac, which adds additional privacy and exclusivity. This house boasts 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, plus powder room, and included in that is a self-contained 2 bedroom apartment with its own facilities. The house also has solar panels which produce all the hot water that you will ever need. Other features includes ceramic tile, garden area, ceiling fans, fully fenced, fully walled, hillside, view of the ocean, and close to fishing village known as Cove for all your fish and bami needs. The asking price of this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $62.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.